Hi, it's Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes, and I'm here with Nicole Lewis.
Hi.
Hey. And we're going to go through a property with you, all right? So Nicole got here. She loves this one, and we're going to offer like 300 grand, 200 over less. No, we're not going to do that. All right, so we're going to turn around. This is a side door where you come into the house. Beautiful door. This right here is where we go upstairs to see the 2 bedrooms up there and a bath, 2 bedrooms and a bath downstairs. We're going to hit those in just a minute. So when you come in the front door, here's your coat closet. You get a lot of coats. I like this coat better than the one you wore last week.
Because it was winterish.
Winterish. Just a little storage area for mops and brooms and such. But this is what really, here, we'll go left after we come in the front door. So there's our vehicles. So you come in, this house is on a cul-de-sac. All right, but here's what we're looking at. It's wide open, beautiful wood flooring. Hey, did you do your eyebrows? That's an inside joke, guys. Can lighting. Stairway to heaven. All right, and that's one of them, one of the skylights. There's another one. You come into this wide open concept. Here's the other skylight. Now, this particular home doesn't have a backsplash, but that's really okay because I think it would, this countertop is so beautiful, but it's got a lot of character to it. It might end up being too busy, but you have the dark mocha cabinets, and again, the stainless steel appliances. Deep sink. There's the garage. 2-car garage. And then you see this type of plank flooring. Beautiful. All right, so what we're going to do is Nicole and I are going to go upstairs. And of course, she's already seen the home, but she's with me and putting up with my shenanigans. We come into the bathroom. Same type of flooring as we had in the kitchen. Let me turn the lights here. Oh, turn off the exhaust. The bathroom it's not super fancy, but it's kind of subtle. Where if you see the tile here, okay. And again, the contractor still needs to put up the mirror. We turn left. Show us the other room, Vanna.
Let's see. So here is the other room.
This is probably the master bedroom. Would you agree?
Yeah, it's larger than the rest of them.
Yeah, it's probably about a 14 by 14. And then behind the door here, go ahead. A big closet area. Okay. That, by the way, is access to the attic. Okay. Thank you. We're not going to go in every bedroom, but this is probably the smallest bedroom in the house, which is usually the baby room or the kid room, if you will. We're going to go downstairs. Now, again, we're behind the kitchen, behind the main room. Come down here. Got a linen closet. Okay. The one upstairs was more like a coat closet, but that can easily be converted. And this is a split level 4-bedroom for about $190 in South Holland. So here's one of the downstairs ones. Again, big closet. They need to get the shelving in. And then over here, this is where the creepy guy comes out in the crawl space. Isn't that right, Nicole?
Yes.
Yeah, we kind of freaked Nicole out earlier. All right, and there's Nicole's feet. Another bedroom. Okay, again, it's a split level, so you got 2 upstairs, 2 downstairs. Same type of deal with the closet. We're going to come over here to the bath. And Nicole and I realized that, hey, they still need to put up the mirrors. And we still have the same style of subtlety in the backsplash in the bath. Okay. And excuse me, same type of flooring. So now we're going to go back up stairs to the main level. we're gonna go through the kitchen. So this is our door that we came in. Gonna go through the kitchen. Again, beautiful kitchen. Huge main area. And we're gonna open this door. This is another side door. This takes us out to the garage that we saw. Yeah, let me get it for you. We're not gonna go totally outside, but there's our 2-car garage. Always gotta make sure we lock the doors. All right, so we're gonna go downstairs to the basement. Again, we have the same type of flooring as what we had. You go ahead. Same type of flooring as what we had before. And you can see they did a really good job on the stairs, which isn't easy. And then, this is cool. So what did they do here, Nicole?
Up here, they left this and just painted it as opposed to putting the ceiling like you typically.
They didn't put any drywall in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
but it's nice. It's really nice.
This is a cost-effective type of deal for the contractor or for the house flipper, but it turned out really good, and they did spend a lot of money getting the can lights in. And one of the things I really like as well is the brand new windows down here. You can't go any deeper because we are on a split level, and that's the outside ground, but the windows are beautiful, and they bring in plenty of light. So then Nicole and I, we're going to take you into the laundry area. Let me get the light here. So in the laundry area, here's our gas hookup for our dryer. There's a dryer vent right there. Brand new hookup. Hookup for the washing machine. Our electrical panel. Even got a sink. Our folding table. And our HVAC and our water heater. So this is a beautiful home. It will go fast. I would be surprised if it didn't. But hopefully we get it. So anyway, this is Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes and
Nicole.
All right, wave goodbye, Nicole. Thanks, guys.